Samsung has released the second One UI 8.5 beta for the Galaxy S25 series, including the Galaxy S25 Plus and S25 Ultra. This update arrived just before Christmas week and brought several changes, especially for users who enjoy advanced camera features. Along with the beta firmware, Samsung also pushed an update to the Camera Assistant app, adding new options and improvements to the Pro camera modes. On paper, this sounded like great news for photography lovers. But there's a big problem that many users quickly noticed. With the second One UI 8.5 beta installed, Samsung's popular Expert RAW camera app no longer works. This issue was first reported by an ex-user and later confirmed by multiple users, including those who tested the update on real Galaxy S25 devices. For many Samsung fans, this is a serious drawback, because Expert RAW is one of the most loved camera apps in Samsung's ecosystem. Expert RAW is designed for users who want more control and higher image quality than what the regular camera app offers. While the stock camera's Pro mode already allows manual adjustments, Expert RAW goes even further. It uses multi-frame image processing to capture more detail, improve dynamic range, and produce cleaner RAW files. It also includes special features like astrophotography mode, which is especially popular among users who enjoy shooting the night sky. Because of all this, Expert RAW has become a must-have app for photography enthusiasts using Samsung flagships. After installing the second One UI 8.5 beta, opening the Expert RAW app leads to a frustrating message. The app asks users to update it from the Galaxy Store before it can be used. The problem is that no update is actually available. Even if you go to the Galaxy Store and search manually, there is no new version to download. As a result, the app simply refuses to open, leaving users locked out of its features. This creates a confusing situation. Samsung clearly released an updated Camera Assistant app alongside the new beta, which suggests that camera-related changes are actively being worked on. However, Expert RAW seems to have been left behind in this update cycle. It's very likely that Samsung is preparing a compatible version of Expert RAW for One UI 8.5, but at the moment, that update has not been released. Until Samsung fixes this, users who rely heavily on Expert RAW should think twice before installing the second One UI 8.5 beta. If advanced photography is important to you, staying on the previous beta or the stable software might be the better option for now. Beta software is meant for testing, and issues like this are part of the experience, but losing access to such a key app can be disappointing. For users who have already updated and are affected by this issue, there is a workaround. It's not perfect, but it can help you get Expert RAW working again. The solution involves uninstalling the current version of the Expert RAW app from your device. After that, you need to download an older version of the app in APK format from a trusted source. Once downloaded, you can open the APK file using the My Files app and install it manually. Keep in mind that this older version of Expert RAW was not officially designed to work with One UI 8.5. Because of that, you might experience some stability issues or minor bugs. However, most of the core features should still function, allowing you to take RAW photos and use modes like astrophotography again. This situation highlights both the benefits and risks of beta software. On one hand, One UI 8.5 brings new features and improvements that give users an early look at what's coming next. On the other hand, updates can sometimes break apps that previously worked fine. For now, all eyes are on Samsung to release an official Expert RAW update that restores full compatibility with the One UI 8.5 beta. Once that happens, this issue should be resolved, and users can fully enjoy the improved camera experience once again.